y divided by dx cube plus y is equal to 65 cos of 2x plus 1. First we have to write in the differential operator, that is d cube plus 1 into y is equal to 65 cos of 2x plus 1. Now again we have to write the auxiliary equation where d is replaced by m. So m cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Use the formula a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here a in the place of a we have m, in the place of b we have 1. So here m plus 1 into m square minus m into 1 is minus m plus 1. Same thing I write here. So here m plus 1 into m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m plus 1 is equal to 0, comma m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Your first root is minus 1. For this we have to apply the quadratic equation formula, that is m is equal to, here I write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. So according to the formula minus b. So minus of b value is minus 1. So it will become plus 1 root of 1 b square means minus 1 whole square 1 minus 4 into 1 is 4 divided by 2. So 1 plus or minus root 3i divided by 2. This is the one more root. Therefore, yc is equal to, this comes under the case 1 and this one case 3. So c1 e power minus x plus c2 cos of root 3 by 2x plus c3 sine of root 3 by 2x in the place of p. Here you can split this one 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3i divided by 2. Here our p value is 1 by 2. So we can write e power 1 by 2 into x, e power 1 by 2 into x. This is the yc. Next yp. Yp means RHS divided by differential operator, that is 65 cos of 2x plus 1 divided by d cube plus 1. Here a value is 2. So d square should be replaced by minus a square, that is minus 4. So I write 65 cos of 2x plus 1 d cube. I write here d square into d plus 1. So already we know the d square value. Write the numerator 65 cos of 2x plus 1 as it is. D square means minus 4d plus 1. So take out minus as a common in the denominator. So write cos of 2x plus 1 divided by, if you take minus as a common in the denominator, we get 4d minus 1. So now we have to do the rationalization, that is cos of 2x plus 1 divided by 4d minus 1. What is the rationalization here? Rationalizing factor
4d plus 1.
Yes, very good. 4d plus 1. Divide and multiply by 4d plus 1. So here minus 65. Multiply this cos 2x plus 1 with this term. So here 4 into differentiation of cos of 2x plus 1 plus cos of 2x plus 1 divided by 16d square minus 1. So minus 65. 4. Differentiation of cos is minus sine of 2x plus 1 into differentiation of 2x is 2. Plus I write cos of 2x plus 1 as it is divided by 16 into minus 4 minus 1. So I write here minus 65 divided by 16 for the 64. So minus 65 minus 1 is, sorry, minus 64 minus 1 is minus 65. Both will get cancelled. Remaining will be cos 2x plus 1 minus 4 to the 8 sine 2x plus 1. This is the value of yp. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc is c1 e power minus x plus c2 cos of root 3 by 2 x plus c3 of sine of root 3 by 2 x whole into e power x by 2 plus cos of 2x plus 1 minus 8 into sine of 2x plus 1. This is the final answer of the y general solution. Final minus 4d plus 3 whole into y is equal to sine 3x into cos 2x. Here directly they have given in the form of differential operator. So let us start the solution by writing the auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. Here roots m square, for minus 4m I write minus 3m minus m plus 3 is equal to 0. In the first two, I take m as a common, so remains m minus 3. In the third and fourth, I take minus 1 as a common, so we get minus 1 of m minus 3. So here m minus 3 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. Roots are m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 3. This both comes under the case 1. So yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x. Now yp. Before writing the formula of yp, let us see the general formula of sin A cos B. What is the formula of sin A cos B? Sin A cos B. Yesterday also I told you have to remember the basic formulas or else it will be difficult to carry over the solution for the further steps. So sin A cos B means 1 by 2 of sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B plus sin of A minus B. This is the formula. Now sin of A plus B means sin of 3x plus 2x is 5x. 1 by 2 I will write outside divided by d square minus 4d plus 3. Again plus sin of A minus B 3x minus 2x is sin x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3. We have to remember the basic formulas or else it will be difficult to do the simplification of the further steps. So here I take this one as a P1 and this one as a P2. So first we see the P1. P1 is sin 5x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3. So here a value is, what is our a value?
5, ma'am.
Yes, 5. Then d square should be replaced by minus a square. That means minus 5 square is 25. So here I write sine 5x divided by minus 25 minus 4d plus 3. So sine 5x divided by minus 4d, 25 minus 3 is 22. So here minus 25 plus 3 is there. So we can write minus 22. Now sine 5x divided by, here I take minus as a common. So 2 also I will take as a common. So here we get 2d plus 11 because I have taken minus 2 as a common. So 2d plus 11. So rationalization sine 5x divided by 2d plus 11 into 2d minus 11 divided by 2d minus 11. So minus 1 by 2, 2 into differentiation of sine 5x minus 11 into sine 5x divided by 2 2s are 4. So here we get 4d square minus 11 square is 121. Now minus 1 by 2, differentiation of the sine 5x is 5 into cos x. So 5 2s are, here 10 cos 5x minus 11 sine 5x, d value is minus 25. Sorry, d square value is minus 25. Here minus 121. So minus 1 by 2, 10 cos 5x minus 11 sine 5x. 425 is a 100. 100 into 121 is 221 minus 221. Minus minus it will become plus. So final cos 5x minus 10 cos 5x minus 11 sine 5x divided by 442. This is the value of the P1. Next, P2. Sin x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3. Here a is equal to 1. So d square should be replaced by minus a square, that is minus 1. So here only I just continue. Sin x divided by minus 1 minus 4d plus 3. So sin x divided by minus 4d plus 2. So I take minus as a common. So sin x divided by 4d, or else, yes, we can take 4d minus 2. So rationalization 4d plus 2 divided by 4d plus 2. So minus of 4 into differentiation of sin x plus 2 into sin x divided by 16d square minus 4 minus differentiation of sin x is cos x. So 4 cos x plus 2 sin x divided by 16 minus 1. D square is replaced by minus 1. Here minus 4 I will write as it is. So minus 2 I will take common from the numerator. So minus already we have here. So minus 2 into 2 cos x plus sin x divided by minus 20. So minus minus 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 2 cos x plus sin x divided by 10. This is the P2 value. Now yp, already we have yp is equal to 1 by 2 into here P1 value. What is our P1 value? So 10 cos 5x minus 11 sin 5x divided by 442 plus 2 cos x plus sin x divided by 10. This is the P2 value. Now we have to write, I just write here, we have to write y is equal to yc plus yp. That is yc is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x. Yp, I just multiply this 2 inside the bracket terms. 10 cos 5x minus 11 sin 5x divided by 2 into 442 is 884 plus 2 cos x plus sin x divided by 2 into 10, that is 20. This, write down the heading type 3. Type 3 particular integral of the form phi of x divided by f of d, where phi of x is a polynomial in x, is a polynomial in x. Every equation of the RHS side, it will be in the form of x. So the particular solution of f of d of y is equal to phi of x, where phi of x will be in the form a naught x power n, a1 x power n minus 1 up to a n minus 1 x plus a n. In this form, the type 3 will be there, means everything it is filled with the x value in the form of polynomial equation. So let us see the first example, how to find out the yp for the type 3, because yc is same for homogeneous for type 1 and also for the type 2. Yc will be same for every type, only yp will verify. So take down the first example, 2x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. This is the form. So I write the particular integral. See the numerator. Numerator, it should be from the highest degree to lowest. This is 2x square plus 4x plus 1. The denominator, it should be in the reverse, lowest degree to highest degree. So 2 plus 3d plus d square, vice versa. In the numerator, it should be higher to lower. In the denominator, lower to higher. Now we have to use the division method. We all know the division method. Here I will write the polynomial equation 2x square 4x plus 1. Here I write the differential operator 2 plus 3d plus d square. So to get 2x square, for this 2 we have to multiply with the x square. So x square into 2, 2x square plus. Here we can write 3d means differentiation of x square, 3 into 2x, that is 6x. So I will write here 6x plus double differentiation of the x square is, first differentiation of the x square is 2x. Next second differentiation is 2. The 2 I will write here. Now change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Minus 2x square. 2x square will get cancelled. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2x. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now, again with this 2, to get minus 2x, we have to multiply minus x. So here minus 2x, again 3d of minus x means minus 3. So here also I will write minus 3. Again change the sign, plus, here also plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Here again 1 I will multiply with this 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. Therefore yp is equal to, write this term, quotient, that is x square minus x plus 1. This is the method of the type 3. See here, first we have to write the given RHS side in the terms of higher degree to lower, higher to lower. Whereas in the denominator, we have to write the differential operator, that we have to write in terms of lower to higher. After writing this one, we have to use the synthetic division method. Here they have given 2x square. So first term is 2x square. Here it is 2. To get 2x square, we have to multiply this 2 with the x square. So we get 2x square. Next, multiply this with the second term, x square with the second term. Second term is 3d. So 3d means first differentiation. That 3 into d of x square means first differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 into 3, 6, 6x. This is the 6x. Next, d square into third term, x square. So double time differentiation. First differentiation of x square is 2x. Write one more differentiation as it is. Next, do this differentiation with the first differentiation of 2x, that is 2, means 2 times differentiation. That I have written here. After writing, change the sign. Minus, if it is minus, change it to the plus, or if it is plus, change it to the minus sign. Next, after doing that, 2x square will get cancelled. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2x. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now, to get 2x minus 2x, we have to multiply this starting 2 with the minus x. So, minus 2x, here we can write. Next comes 3d into minus x. That means 3d into differentiation of the minus x is minus 1. So minus 1 into 3. Here I can write minus 1 into 3. So we get minus 3. Here I have written. Next, for this x square, if you do double time differentiation of x, first time differentiation we get 1. Next one is constant. So it will become 0. You can write it is plus 0. Now we finish the third one. Now change the sign. Minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. Again plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So to get again to do the division method, we have to multiply. To get 2, we have to multiply 1. So 1 into 2, 2. Again differentiation of the 1 is 0. Double differentiation of the 1 is 0. So we get the here 0. Then you write yp is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is the final solution. Y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 2x square. This is the actual problem they will ask in the exam and also in the internals. So what we have to do, first we have to write in the differential operator d square plus 3d plus 2 whole into y is equal to 2x square. Now auxiliary equation m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So factors will be m plus 1 into m plus 2, that is equal to 0. Here you can write 2, here you can write 3. So 2, 1. So m is equal to minus 1, minus 2. This both comes under the case 1. So yc is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Now comes yp. 12x square divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. How I told you to write in the denominator. Numerator we have only one term, so let it be as it is. While writing the denominator term, it should be lower to higher. So 3d plus d square. Now use the division method. So here if you write x square, it's okay, you can write. Here I write just x square. Here I write 2 plus 3d plus d square. If you write 12x square also, it's okay. If you write only x square, it will be in the division form. So let us write 12x square only, complete term of the numerator. So to get 12x square, what we have to multiply with the 2? Which number we have to multiply to get 12? Which numbers?
6x square.
Yes. We have to multiply. Yes. To get 12x square, we have to multiply this 6x square. So 6x square into 2 is 12x square. Here I will write. Here I change minus. Now here 3d into 6x square is equal to, here first 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 3, 18. D into x square we write as it is. What is the first differentiation of the x square?
2x.
Yes, here I write 2x. So 18 into 2. Here we get 36x. So here I just write plus 36x. Now again d square into 6x square. D square into 6x square. So here I split d into 6x square. So what is the first differentiation of the 6x square?
12x.
Yes, 12x. Next, what is the second differentiation of the 12x?
12.
Yes, here I write plus 12 minus, again here minus. These two will get cancelled. Here I write 36x minus 12. Now, to get minus 36x, what we have to multiply with this 2? To get minus 36, what we have to multiply with this 2? Which number?
18, minus ma'am. 18x.
Yes, minus 18x, because here we have 36x. So minus 18 into 2 is minus 36x. I will write as it is. Next, I just continue here. Next comes 3d into minus 18x. So 18 into 3. Minus I write outside, 18 into 3 is 54. What is the differentiation of the x? Differentiation of the x.
1.
Yes, so we get only 54. Minus 54. Here I write minus 54. Next comes d square into minus 18x. So here I split d into d minus 18x. First differentiation of this 18x is minus 18. When you are differentiating with a constant term, we get 0. So here I write 0. Now again I will change the sign. Cancel. 54 minus 12. What is the value of 54 minus 12?
42.
Yes, 42. Now, to get 42, what we have to multiply with this 2 to get 42?
21.
Yes,
21, ma'am.
21. So, I write here 21 into 2 is 42. Here we get 0. Now, 21 for the next further step. 21 differentiation of the 21 is 0. Again d square into 21. Again we get 0 here. So 0 plus 0 you can write. Therefore yp is equal to 6x square minus 18x plus 21. Thus y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc is c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus 6x square minus 18x plus 21. This is the answer. So if you are taking one number, for that all the three, here we have three terms, so we have to do all the three operations for one single number. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus y is equal to 2x plus x square. This is the one term. So again differential operator d square plus 2d plus 1. In every problem we have to find out yc first, then we have to find out yp. So because the general solution y is equal to yc plus yp. Now write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. It is in the form a plus b whole square. So m is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. So it comes under the case 2 repeated values. Yc is equal to c1 plus c2 x whole power minus x. Next comes yp. So 2x plus x square divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. As I told, numerator should be higher to lower degree. So x square plus 2x, denominator lower to higher. So 1 plus 2d plus d square. This rule you have to keep it in your mind. Now we will solve the division method. X square plus 2x. Here 1 plus 2d plus d square. So to get x square, here we have to multiply 1 with the x square. So here I got x square. I just changed the sign. Now 2d into x square. What is the differentiation of the x square? Differentiation of the x is 2x. So 2 into 2, 4x. So I write here plus 4x. Here also I change the sign. Next, differentiation of the double time differentiation d into x square. So first time differentiation is 2x. Second time differentiation is 2. So I write here plus 2. Just change the sign. These two will get cancelled. Minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x minus 2. To get here minus 2x, we have to multiply with the 1, that is minus 2x. Minus 2x into 1 is minus 2x. Next, 2d into minus 2x. That is differentiation of the x is 1. So minus 4. Here I write minus 4. Double time differentiation of the minus 2x. That is d into minus 2x. First differentiation we get is minus 2. The differentiation of the constant term is 0. So here I write 0. Change the sign. Here 2. So to get 2 here, I just multiply 2 because 2 into 1 is 2. Here change the sign, you get 0. Differentiation of the constant term is 0. Therefore, yp is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. C1 plus C2x e power minus x plus yp is x square minus 2x plus 2. This is the solution of the second one.